Build a nice raised garden for cheap. Built. Filled. Ready to plant for less than $80. Watch to the end to learn how I did it. My raised bed kit came with 2 beds, along with all the tools and instructions needed to build them. You have several size configuration options. I found it's easier on the knees and back to just set up a table to build it on. You have 60 screws and nuts to install. Save some time and your hands with a drill if you have one. You can build it by yourself, but an extra hand makes it easier. Beds come with cross support bars. This is an important feature of a quality bed. It stops the dirt from pushing the sides out. The metal may seem thin, but with the cross braces and corrugated sides, it's pretty sturdy when filled. They claim this bed is resistant to corrosion versus other beds. I purchased 8 beds of this type. I laid mine on landscape fabric to prevent weeds. I'll be laying down a layer of mulch when my beds are complete. Most raised bed gardeners are using a German method called hugelkultur. Bed open to the earth on the bottom, layer of cardboard, layer of logs and sticks, layer of leaves or mulch, layer of dirt, top layer of good quality garden soil. Save your Amazon boxes and they build up quick. Lay down a layer of cardboard. Collect sticks and logs to line the bottom. Our local dump gives away mulch. Check yours before buying. Now add a layer of mulch, leaves, and any other yard waste you have around. You can find great deals on Facebook Marketplace for dirt delivery. I found a guy and got quality soil enough for all 10 of my beds for $80. Add your delivered dirt next. Lastly, add a final layer of good quality plant feeding soil. 4 bags of Lowe's 1CU FT Garden soil with plant food makes a really nice final layer for your plants. For only $10 a bed, it's a steal. I found my beds on Amazon. They come in a 2-pack for only $119.99. That's less than $60 a piece. Reviews are pretty good. Cardboard $0. Sticks and logs $0. Mulch $0. Delivered dirt $8 per bed. Bagged soil $10 per bed. Metal raised garden bed $60. $78 total. If this video helped, please like and subscribe.